Hi dear student, welcome to our chemistry classes. In this video, I will do one of the important concept in chemistry. That concept is very helpful for all the competitive examinations. Take your any Karnataka CET examination or any of the CET exam state student, those who are reading the chemistry. It will help for all the examinations, even though they are asking for the lecturership exam also, KSET examination. There will be the NET exam, they are asking such questions. Very fundamental concept it is. This concept you have to understand because you get at least 1 to 2 marks in your this competitive examination test. Therefore, today I am going to start one of the important concept in chemistry, that is significant figures. What is significant figures and how to calculate the significant figures and what are the rules to calculate the number of significant figures. In this video, I will discuss all these concepts. Okay. First, before going to that rules and regulation to find the significant figures, first we have to understand the meaning of significant figures. Okay, significant figures, dear students. What is meant by significant figures? They are asking questions. What is significant figure means? A simplest way I will define to understand the knowledge. Whenever ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಶ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ದಾಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಭಯಪಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ದಾಗ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ನ ಮದರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್. ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್. The significant means meaningful. Meaningful. Figure means numbers. The meaningful numbers are called as significant figures. What are that? What is meaningful number? Is there any meaning in this number? Is there any meaning in this number? Okay. Is there any meaning in this type? This number? There will be meaning only one. But is there any meaning of these digits? No. Therefore, to solve such a problems, we are going to discuss the significant figures in this session. Okay. Therefore, how to calculate the significant figures? There are some rules are there. Therefore, we have to see one by one. And also, each rules also I will give in the here bottom of this video only. You see here only. Okay, I will discuss one by one, dear student. You observe each one of them and then solve. Okay, see here, dear student. First one, the rules to find the significant figures. First rule. What that is first rule? And all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. No, non-zero anta ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು. All non-zero digits are significant figures. You see here, read this one sentence and take one example. For example, 1, 2, 3, 5. How many number of significant figures? You see all non-zero. This is not zero. All are not zero. Therefore, number of significant figures are 4. Next one, take 1, 3, 2, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. How many significant figures? All non-zero numbers, all non-zero digits are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, number of significant figures are 6, dear student. Therefore, this is the first rule to calculate the significant figures. Okay, go for the next rule, dear student. What is that? Okay, one thing I will tell you first before going to the next one. This is, if for example this is a number, the number coming in this side and the next number digits coming in this side. The number in this side is called as a left side and the number this side I will call as a right side. Why I am telling? Most of the students are confusing which is left, which is right. Whenever you written on the board or in your book, this side is called as left and this is called as right. Okay, why I am telling? Don't neglect why I am telling this type of silly concept, but this is what you are confusing. The next one is the zero preceding first non-digit number. The zeros preceding first non-zero digits. Preceding and recording left side. Left side. Okay. The zeros. Second rule. Zeros are zeros preceding. Zeros preceding the first non-zero. First non-zero digits are not significant. Not significant. You see, I am given in this one only. What is that? What I given? You read once again. The zero preceding first non-zero digits are not significant. Such zero indicates the position of a decimal point. You see here. Example I will give you. This is what 0, 0, 3. Zeros preceding andre nodri zeros preceding first non-zero number. This is first non-zero our number. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is our first non-zero number. Yes, right. Zeros before the first non-digit number, the non-zero number, they are not significant. Therefore, number of significant figures are only 1. The number of zeros preceding first non-zero numbers are not significant. For example, this is good. This is 0.005. How many number of significant figures? Only 1, because here all zeros before the non-zero number, therefore they are not significant. Next one, 0.0123. How many number of significant figures? Only 3. 1, 2, 3. Therefore there are only 3 significant figures. These zeros are not present first non-zero number, therefore before that they are not significant figures. So go for the next one. Next rule to calculate the or to know the significant figure. The next third one is zeros between. It's very important. Zeros between two non-zeros number are significant. Okay. Zeros between the two non-zero number are significant. Or significance. Significant. Very important it is. If for example, what is that? Zeros between the two non-zero. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here there are zeros there. These zeros are in between the non-zero number. Then they are also significant. Therefore, total number of significant figures are 5. The zeros between, nodri, number of zeros, ಎರಡು non-zero number ನಡುವಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು significant figure. For example, I will tell you one more example. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. How many number of significant figures? They are non-zero, but in between how many zero we don't know, but they are all significant. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore 9 significant figures, dear student. You see this one, read the sentence also. What I given. This is what next rules, dear student. Next rule. What is that next rule? It's very, very important. Zeros after the right side. That is what you read. This one, fourth one. What is that fourth one? Fourth one you read here. The zeros at the end or right of the numbers are significant provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. Very important. Yes, right? Notri. ಈಗ zeros ಹೀಗಿದ್ದಾಗ 0, 1 ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ದ ನೀವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ 1 ತಗೋತಿದ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ zeros on the right side. Zeros on the right side after the decimal. After the decimal are significant. Are significant. What is that? We'll go further. You see here, this is what 0.001. Then we know that there will be only one significant. Before the non-zero number, what I have zero, they are non-significant. They are non-significant. But what they are telling, 0.2 and 001 are go for that. ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜೀರೋ ಬರಲಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಂದ ಒಂದು ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜೀರೋ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್. ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಜೀರೋ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಜೀರೋ, ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಜೀರೋ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ನಂಬರ್. Go for one more, 0.10001. How many number of significant figure after decimal point? They are all significant. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and therefore 5 significant figures, dear student. This is what the next rule I will tell you. Next, for scientific notation. Scientific notation, the 10 to the power, whatever 10 to the power n is not a scientific figure. Is not a scientific figure. Or is not a significant figure. Is not a significant figure. What I am telling here, 101 into 10 to the power, or like this, not like this, 1.23 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3. How many number of significant figure? You don't count this number 10 to the power, only count 1, 2, 3 numbers. Therefore number of significant figures are 3. Next one, 1.2 into 10 to the power 2. The number of significant figures are only 2. The 10 to the power, the scientific 10 to the power n, whatever it may be, don't count. It is not a significant figure. It is not a significant figure, dear student. This is what the next rule they are telling. Okay. Next up, in 100, how many significant figures? You write like a 10 to the power 2. Therefore, only one significant figure. 1 into 10 to the power 2. For example, 1000. How many number of significant figure? 1 into 10 to the power 3. Therefore, only one significant figure. This is what they are. The most of the students counting that there are 4 significant figure. In your examination, they are given 4 significant, also 1. But you have to choose 1 is the correct answer. Okay, this is what the significant figures, dear students. Okay, I will give one more other 2 rules are there in your shortcut. Hi dear student, in that continuation in that significant figure, whenever addition and subtraction or and multiplication or division, you see, for example, 12.13 into 12.13, you multiply these two, you are getting around, I will tell you exact number also. The multiply 12.13, you see here 12.13 into 12.13, we will get the number 147.1369. Here this number continue, right? But you take this number as a 147.1. After rounding, we know that round off 3 next 5 greater than 6 means 5 or greater than 5, right? Therefore we take that 1.4. Therefore number of significant figures are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore these are the 5 significant. Whenever addition, multiplication, subtraction, if the numbers are more than 2, take after decimal, take only 2 numbers. Then more than this, they are round up and take this is a significant figures. This is what the next rule. This is what telling the student. And also whenever numbers are like this 150100, like this number is there, you have to go for significant figures. What is that? You see here 1 point, right? Therefore 1.501 into 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5, therefore 5. Therefore number of significant figures are 1 2 3, therefore non-zero. You are not considering the 10 to the power. There are only 4 significant figures, dear student. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಫಿಗರ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಸಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು non-zero ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್, ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸದ್ಯ. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Okay. You see here, dear student, I will solve some of the examples for scientific figures. How to calculate the scientific figures? You see here, number, the non-zero numbers are there. In between zero, they are significant. Therefore, total number of significant figures 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore, 5. All non-zero numbers are there. Therefore, total 1 2 3 4 number 4 significant figure. You see here, this is what non-zero number, but point decimal is there. Don't consider decimal. 1 2 3 4, there are 4 significant figure. See here, zeros before decimal point, they are not significant figure, only 1 2. Here one number is there before zero number, therefore only one number, one decimal, one significant figure, because before left side they are not significant. See here, in between the non-zero number, zeros all are significant. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You see here, this power is not significant figure, only 1 2 3 numbers are significant. 1 2 3, this is not significant figure. You see 1 2 3, but just 0 also significant figure. Okay, 1 2 3, therefore 3. Apart from this, they are asking the significant figures, like how many number of significant figures in your charge of electron. Question charge of electron, how much? 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 60. How many number of significant figures? 1.69. Therefore, only 3 significant figures. How many number of significant figures in Avogadro number? They are asking like this also. Avogadro number is known as 6.602 into 10 to the power 23. Therefore, this is not significant figure. 1 2 3 4. Total 4 number of. Go for the speed of the light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The only number of significant figures are only 1. They are asking questions like this also, dear student. This concept look like very simple, but you observed our previous year question paper, they are asking one question on this significant figure, student. That's why I make this separate video. I am making such videos whenever I get bored, whenever ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಬೇಜಾರಾಯಿತು, ಬೇಸರ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಬೇಸರ ಬರೋತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಇಂಥವೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, if you have any doubts, please give in the comment box. I will solve and send you. Okay, thank you dear student for watching my videos. If you have any comments in my teaching style or whatever it may be, please comment in my comment box. Okay, thank you one and all.